Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a cart block in your Shopify store. You might have seen some cart blocks which may contains in a cart layout which may contain some informations to the or warnings to the users with the cart block. So I will explain how you can create similar blocks in your Shopify store. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box so you can just check it out and follow along with me. A quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. So open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section. I have already created a one. I'm deleting this and let's do this from the scratch. So clicking on create new block, you will be showing like a some default templates with different blocks. So you can just explore this, and if you want you can choose any. Otherwise close it and click on add block. Now we have to search particularly for the card block. Then you can see that card block has been like showing here. So click on that and give a block name first. So I'm just giving card block as the block name because I can easily identify this from my list of blocks. So give a meaningful block name always. And you can just enable this if you have any conditional visibility criterias. So when this enable, the block will only appear with this specific condition is met at the checkout. So there are multiple conditions listing out here. You can just go through this, and if you want you can choose any and the block will be available at the checkout accordingly. And if you are disabling this, the block will be available always at the checkout page. So clicking on cart block, there are two fields. One is the title and the other one is the description. So title you can just give any, like I'm just giving like processing delay notice, and the description of this card goes here. I'm just giving a description like this, and the background color you can just keep it as like dark or primary, and let's do this as dark for now. And the text color also you can just give any like subdued, critical, warning or success. I'm just giving a critical as the text color, and the setup is done. Let's save it. Before saving, make sure that the status is active. So this active in stage, so let's save it. So after saving, you will be getting some block ID. So copy this block ID from here and you can just click on open checkout editor page. And we have to add the block, custom block to the checkout like this. And paste our block ID which we have copied earlier to this field. Now you can see that the block has been created here. Now we have to place this block to somewhere else which is suitable for this block to be placed. So let's go with the delivery section. So you can see that this has been replaced to delivery section. Now click on save. The setup is simple and we have done. Now let's test this up in our online store. So this is my store. Let's land on checkout page. Now here you can see the card block which we have created earlier. So that's how you can just create a card block in your Shopify store very easily. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.